Tonight we're learning more about the case of a former local assistant district attorney accused of extortion and soliciting a bribe. A grand jury indicted Aaron McCardle, a former assistant DA in Tennessee's 1st Judicial District, and another person named Tommy Tylee Henry.
Well, according to court documents, McCardle prosecuted criminal cases in Washington County, Tennessee Criminal Court while living with Henry in Sullivan County. The indictment accuses the two of them of using McCardle's job as a prosecutor to extort people who are being prosecuted in Washington County.
Kaylin Cluck looked deeper into what this means for cases McCardle has prosecuted.
The indictment against McCardle and Henry says the two committed extortion and solicited a bribe between 2014 and 2015. They're accused of using McCardle's position as a prosecutor to extort individuals being prosecuted in Washington County. I reached out to Washington County District Attorney General Kenneth Baldwin today for comment. He sent us an email just moments ago referring us to the U.S. Attorney's Office for any comment because this is a federal indictment. Personnel documents say McCardle resigned from the DA's office back in April. The indictment against her and Tommy Tylee Henry was filed in the U.S. District Court of Greenville Tuesday. The indictment says McCardle and Henry accepted $50,000 from someone to have charges dropped against that person's father back in 2015. Another charge accuses the duo of attempting to extort money from someone involved in a drug task force investigation. This was in exchange for resolving the investigation in that person's favor.
It's a sad day for everybody, though. This is a nobody wins situation.
We asked Dustin Franklin, assistant public defender in the 2nd Judicial District, what might happen with other past cases McCardle prosecuted. He said previous convictions with McCardle as prosecutor couldn't easily be overturned.
It would have to be a specific allegation of misconduct that affected that particular case. A general allegation of a prosecutor doing something wrong in one case really doesn't affect any other conviction unless there's evidence of misconduct in that conviction.
The indictment against McCardle comes a few weeks after another assistant district attorney in the 1st District, William McManus, was also accused of bribery. McManus was arrested in an FBI sting operation in May. We reached out to McCardle and Henry today and did not hear back. We'll bring you updates on this developing story both on air and online.